So guys, this is a guide on how to use bybit. This is a guide on how to use bybit to place trades and all that. So basically there are two ways you can actually trade cryptocurrency on bybit. Two major ways. It's either you spot trade or you trade futures. It's either you trade spots or you trade futures. Those are the two ways you can basically trade with bybit. Now the difference between the both of them is that for spot you are actually buying the particular coin and you're keeping it. Sure, you understand? But for futures you are buying what is called a contract. You're not actually buying that particular coin. Sure, you understand? So in spot you only gain when the coin is the crypto is increasing in value. But in spot, as long as you predict the right direction, you are going to gain. So to do spots, firstly you come to this search bar at the top here. Type the name of the cryptocurrency you're looking at. Let's say we want to do people USDT. This is the cryptocurrency pair. Say you understand that we are looking at. You will now look at under it. You're going to see USDT perpetual. USDT perpetual. Do you get? For sports, once you see that USDT perpetual, you don't want to use that. Say you understand. Once you type people, okay, or see and just type the name of the thing. Forget adding USDT. Type the name and you're going to see two options. One option is USDT perpetual, the other one is spot. If it's spot you want to buy it and keep, you click on spot. Once you click on spot, this page will be open to you. This place you're seeing different numbers and all those type of things. It's called the order book. Sure, you understand? It just shows different orders that people have placed, so you understand, in the market at this time. Then this other place is buy and sell. If you want to buy, you have to buy with USDT, so you have to have USDT in your spot wallet. If you want to sell, that means you have to have people in your spot wallet. You want to sell it to USDT. So buy now, you're going to choose this place you see market. If you want to buy at the market price, you have USDT in your wallet and you want to buy it at the market price, you click on market, you leave it at market. But if maybe say there is a price you are hoping it comes to, and when it comes to that price you want to buy at that price, you will not change this market to limit. When you change it to limit, you're going to put the price you want it to get to in this place. Let me say I want to buy it at when the price gets to 0.03 or 0.02. I want to buy it at that place. Do you understand? I will set it. Then quantity of people that I want, I set the quantity. Or you can even leave that quantity and come to this other value and write other value. So automatically calculate the quantity of people you're going to have. So let me say I want to buy $50 worth of people when it gets to $0.02. This is exactly how I will do it. Once I click on buy here, it will automatically place the order for me, and I'll go to my assets at the top at the bottom right here, and I'm going to see my crypto. So now let's do for what? Let's do for what's it called? Let's do for futures. Sometimes you might come here and it will bring you to charts first. What you have to do is either to click buy or sell. If it's buy or sell you want to do, or you just click on trade. Do you understand? Yeah. So let's go back to futures. Let's do for futures now. Home, people USDT. So you just write people. Once you write people, you click on USDT perpetual, not spot. USDT perpetual. Look at it under USDT perpetual. You click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be brought here. You see now it's brought us to charts. You change from charts to trade. You are now here. So as normal, this the right is your order book, while other places, sure you understand. So what you're going to do now is you set, do you want your margin to be in cross or isolated? Cross is that if it's on cross is that when your trade is triggered, when you're in the trade, if when you're in the trade, for cross, when you're in the trade, if your money has finished, it will go to your wallet and look for money to still keep you in the trade. As long as you still have, let me say you have $40 in your wallet, you use $20 out of the $40 to place a trade. Once that $20 is finished, it will go to your wallet and look for money from the remaining $20 to make sure it still keeps you in the position. But if you change this cross now to isolated margin, sure you understand, it would, once your $20 is finished, that's all, it won't go, it won't continue. Then this other place is your leverage. Click it, you set your leverage. You can set up to 50x leverage here. You set your leverage. Now this place is just like the same limit order. If you're hoping that it will get to a price before you execute, then you have to put that price you want it to get to. Maybe I want it to get to 0.0 4 before I sell. I will put it there. Do you understand? Then this other place you see quantity people, you change these people to USDT, so it will be easier for you. Do you understand? It will be easier for you. Change it to USDT and put in how much USDT you want to stake in the trade. Maybe you want to stake 50 USDT. Do you understand? In this particular wallet, this particular bybit of mine, I don't have money in my futures wallet, so yeah, that's why you're seeing 0.00 USDT top here at the top here. So if you have money in your futures wallet, before you can trade, you have to transfer money to your futures wallet. So if you have money in your futures wallet, you're going to see the value that you have at the top there. So once you put your 50 USDT that you want to buy, the next thing you want to click is display the row stop loss and take profit and stop loss. Sure, you understand? Now if you are longing, which is buy, you're going to put your take profit where you want your take profit to trigger. Do you understand? Or you can even put the percentage. Sure, you understand? You copy it from your chart or copy it from whoever is giving you signal, if it's a signal group you're in or something, and put it here. And your stop loss, you put it. Once you've done that, you click on confirm. And if you're buying, you sell. If you're longing, you click on buy. If you're selling, you put on short. Once you do it, sure, you understand? It's automatically going to go to orders. It's go to orders and stay. If it's market that you set it at market, it will automatically go to positions. It won't go to orders. So you understand? But if it's limit, it will first go to orders. Once it's triggered, it will now go to what? Positions. So this is exactly how you're going to trade both spots and futures. It's simple. I hope you understand.